Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. In previous lecture, we have learned how to find the sum of decimal numbers. Today, we will find the difference of different decimal numbers. Dear students, how we can find the difference? Yes, when we subtract the numbers, we can find the difference of any two or three numbers. On book page number 126, one example has been given for simple subtraction. Wrinkle's mass is 35.2 kg. Chunkle's mass is 48.9 kg. How much heavier is Chunkle's than Wrinkle's? Dear students, we can find the difference of both kids by subtracting given masses. We can subtract 35.2 from 48.9. In first step, you can see we will start from right side. We will subtract tenths. 9 minus 2, that is 7. Then we will subtract ones. 8 minus 5, 3. In step 3, we will subtract tens. 4 minus 3, that is 1. Chunkles is 13.7 kg heavier than Wrinkle. Subtraction with regrouping. Find the difference between 5.2 and 3.183. As you can see, there is only one digit after decimal point, but the second number has 3 digits after decimal point. So what we have to do? We will write zeros because the same number of digits should be in both numbers. 5.2 is equal to 5.200. 5.200 minus 3.183. In first step, we have to subtract hundreds, that is 0 and 3. We cannot subtract 3 from 0. So what we will do? We will regroup the numbers. We will borrow from 2. 2 will become 1 and 1 will be regrouped on 0, that will be 10. But again 1 will be regrouped for making 0 in hundreds place. So the 10 will be 9 and 0 will be 10. This is same as we subtract simple numbers, whole numbers. We have regrouped these decimal numbers. Now easily we can subtract 3 from 10, that will be 7. In next 3 steps, numbers will be subtracted one by one and we can find the difference between these decimal numbers. In this page, the last example has been given. Subtract 2.6 from 13. As you can see, 13 is the whole number and 2.6 is a decimal number. We can add zeros after decimal numbers for subtracting decimals from any whole number. As you can see, 13 is equal to 13.0. 13.0 minus 2.6. There is a mistake in your book. This sign should be subtraction. You can correct this sign by your pencil. Okay. We cannot subtract 6 from 10, so we will borrow 1 from number 3, that is in 1's place. 3 will be 2 and the 0 become 10. Now we can easily subtract 6 from 10. 10 minus 6, that is 4. On next page, second and third step, subtracting from 2 is 2 will be 0 and 1 will be written as it is. So we will get 10.4. In the same pattern, we will solve practice zone. As you can see, question number 1 is find the differences. Then check whether your answer is reasonable. This is very easy. You have to subtract numbers starting from the right side. 4 minus 3 will be 1 and then we will put a decimal point and 52 minus 10 will be 42. In same pattern, you have to solve A to F parts. Question number 2, a container had 1.96 liter of oil. Mary used 1.09 liter of the oil. How much oil was left in the container? We have to subtract 1.96 and 1.09. We cannot subtract 9 from 6, so we will regroup by borrowing one number from 9. So 16 minus 9 will be 7. 8 minus 0 will be 8. Decimal point in the place and 1 minus 1 will be 0. बच्चों, जैसे एडिशन ऑफ डेसिमल में मैंने आपको बताया था कि जिन नंबर्स को ऐड किया जा रहा होता है डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद जितने नंबर्स हैं आंसर में भी उतने ही नंबर्स आने चाहिए। इसी तरह जब आप सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे तो डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद 2 डिजिट्स हैं दोनों नंबर्स में, तो आपके आंसर में भी डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद 2 डिजिट होने चाहिए। सो यू हैव टू राइट द आंसर इन बॉक्स एंड इट इज़ कंपल्सरी टू डू रफ वर्क as I have done on my book. You can do on your book. Question number 3 and 4 is similar to question number 2. You have to try by yourself and then match your answers with my answers. You can ask if you have any confusion. Good luck.